Alright, so here is the Yeti car adapter. The STL file is included in the video. We used Tinkercad to design it, just basically out of cylinders and boxes and cut some holes. Um, there will be a picture included in this video of what the thing looks like with the Yeti inside, but suffice to say, this thing works. I want to show you real quick how you can personalize and customize it. So on the inside of the Yeti, we have as close to a perfect circle as you can get. You can still see some ridging on the inside. That's because you only get 64 sides on a cylinder shape. On the outside, you can actually see much clearer ridging, and I left that because I wanted to use this as personalization space. So the first thing I want to do is take my work plane and put it on that first side. All right, now you can see the work plane is touching right there. You can see the rectangle outlining where the work plane's actually touching. All right, and we're going to flip from basic shapes to text and numbers, and we're going to put a B right on the side there. Now I'm going to take my work plane, put it right next to that, and we're going to take an O, put it next to the B. We're going to move the work plane down the cup, hitting each side, and I'm just going to put my last name on the work plane or on the cup, mostly because I am not creative enough to come up with a better solution for a cool name on the side of this cup. All right, let's see. Good. And then we're going to do one more letter. All right, and now as you can see, it's kind of out of alignment there. So I'm going to take the work plane one more time, move it down to the center. I want to highlight the whole thing, and hopefully I can align. We don't want to align in the center of the cup, but we can align at the top of the cup. And now everything's in line with that top line of the cup. Now if I select the letters individually, or well, I'm holding down shift to select them all at the same time, I can then hold down control and tap down to just drop them a little bit in space. And now I've personalized that. The other thing you can do once you have them once again all selected, you don't want to select the cup, is you can group them, and now that name is separate and will move on its own. We're going to just put it right back where it was, maybe push it into the side a little bit more. And that is a customized Yeti car adapter. If you have any questions, you know where I am.